Today we're going to put a wrap on this 2013 Skidoo Freeride. It has this 800R etec engine inside of it, and we ordered a wrap kit for it, and now we're going to attempt to put it on. This is the product I use for wiping off the grease and all the stuff that collects on your snowmobile surface. So I get a rag and I just wipe all that off and it cleans it off. Good enough for the sticker to go on. So all these original stickers here got to come off, and I'll use a heat gun now to put a little bit of heat onto it, and then usually hook the corners up and they'll come off fairly easy. Not sure if you can see it or not, but all the old gawk is left there from the sticker. Every bit of that got to come off. So we're having a little trouble with some of the kits bubbling a bit, you know. You always get some bubbles, but this one seems to be bubbling more than what I'm used to. And I'm using the exact same technique. So according to the company's video, they said to use some like acetone type thing, like solution here. And then they also said to probably try Windex. So I've tried the acetone, and it's still happening, still getting some bubbling, so I'm going to switch to Windex now and see how that makes out. Well, that piece didn't bubble too much, so I think I'll continue using that Windex and see how the rest of the pieces make out. And that piece never bubbled. One little tiny bubble there, but not too bad. So this Skidoo has a bumper that was installed afterwards, so it's going to get in the way of this piece here. So I'm just going to take a little cut out of it here, kind of custom fit it up in place there. Okay, got all the stickers on there now. Time to put it back together again. Well guys, she is done. About 50 stickers in total, and they all went on pretty good. Found a place for them all, and she turned out pretty slick looking, I must say. So it's going to look even better now, I think, in a nice white snow. So hopefully we'll get a nice day, the weekend now, to give it a try. Anyway guys, thanks for sticking around and watching. If you got any questions or comments on what I did there, I'm certainly no expert in what I'm doing here. Got any comments, certainly drop me one in the bottom and I'll have a look there. Okay guys, until the next video, take care.